Hello Pika parents, I just wanted to make a quick video about how to set up this project for all my super cute little students today. So basically you're just going to need oil and either dish soap or water. Now the one thing for the balloon with the dish soap and the water is that with this balloon you have to make sure there isn't too much air in the balloon, because if there's too much air it won't sink to the bottom, and that's what we needed to do. The one with the dish soap or the water, we needed to sink to the bottom. I found that the dish soap sinks to the bottom a little bit better, but the thing about the dish soap is, of course, it gets everywhere, and then it's hard to tie the balloon because then it's super slippery. So what I ended up doing, what I probably will do for class, is I made like a little funnel out of paper. If you have a funnel at home, that's fine. That would work perfectly. Any kind of funnel, if you have something, not make it out of paper. That's what I did. And I just poured the dish soap in that, and then I tied it, made sure there wasn't any air in there. That way it would float to the bottom. Now, that was the first balloon I made last night, and it came out really good. And then I threw it in the trash, which I shouldn't have done. I should have just saved it. But anyhow, I tried it again this morning with water, and I found that I almost got all the air out, but there's still a little bit of air on top. And if you notice, it'll float to the bottom, and that's what we needed to do. We needed to float to the bottom, and we needed to sink to the bottom and then stay there. And then the one with the oil, we wanted to float up top, because we're going to be talking about sharks that float, and we're going to be talking about sharks that sink and how they are able to sink and stay at the bottom. The Tupperware I'm using is just like not a huge Tupperware, but it's like a big Tupperware, like the size of a Starbucks venti cup. That's like, it's not that big, but it's circular, so it has a pretty good amount of water in it. Anyhow, whatever big, I know pretty much everybody has a big Tupperware in their kitchen that doesn't have a lid that they don't use anyways. That's the Tupperware that's perfect for this project. That's what I want you to use. But yeah, that's how you set it up. And then you're just going to make the two little balloons. And then the kids, when they come to class, they should just have this water and these two balloons. And then we're going to draw super cool shark faces on them. And then we're going to test out the experiment with floating and sinking. Like I said, with your balloon that has dish soap or water, dish soap or water. Just make sure there's not too much air, otherwise it's going to be up top and it's going to float, and we want it to sink. That is all. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and send me a message. And if you don't want your students to be playing with water and stuff because they're doing class in their room, that's totally fine. You can just blow up a balloon and then they can still draw shark faces on their balloons. That would totally work for me. But yeah, hey babe, I can't wait to see everyone later. Can't wait to do this project today. It's gonna be super fun. I will see all my Pika friends soon. Pika Pika, goodbye.